at me being all hands-free and stuff. Richard, set yourself up something in your truck, man. Yeah, I'm looking at you. Anyways, today I'm gonna go get some go-go juice for the Grizzly for the upcoming ride. You know, a little 110. That stuff is crazy. I know a lot of people say, oh, you're not gonna get any more power, you're not gonna get any more power. But I don't know, I feel it seat of the pants. I don't know how you explain it, but I do. And it runs so much better. And I used to run just straight 110, but yeah, that was a little much. A little excessive, so now it just makes 50-50. Half 94, half 110, and the Grizzly just runs beauty. Yeah, she runs good now, so. And just trail riding, you know, I don't put just 94 octane, but where we're going, I need a little more gusta. Yeah. Actually, no, I can't pour it in. It's still full of 94, so I might have to go for a ride just to burn some of this 94 so I can put half 110 in. Oh, first world problems. Oh my god. Yeah. I don't think I own anything quiet. It's just noisy. I like it. People hear me coming. Alright, talk to you later. Alright, go-go juice is in hand. Right here. Boing. I would put it in the back, but I don't have a strap, so it's gonna sit right there. So yeah, got it from Specialty Motorsports here in Spruce Grove, Alberta. If you live in this area, I would highly suggest going to see Rob, the owner. Super easy to talk to, just low-key, so yeah, go see him if you need anything done. Anything. He'll make it work for you. Or if he can't, he'll send you to the right place. So yeah. Hey everyone. So, I got my axle in with the help of my brother-in-law and shed a little bit of weight off the quad. I took off the grandpa box. I'm just gonna have a backpack with me when we go. I don't need to bring too much with me. And there's the axle, all shiny and new. So now I got a demon on both sides instead of demon in a factory, because I knew I was going to probably snap that one when we go for this ride. And I still have the factory one sitting in the box there in case I do manage to snap one of those, which I highly doubt. I took the box off, and then yeah, I took my light bar off. I'm going to get something a little bit smaller, something that fits under here a little bit more instead of sticking out here. Because when I push people, what happened is I broke this one mount. Well, it almost sheared it completely off, so that side was okay, but the light bar was just rattling up against the rad relicate and was just annoying me all to hell. So yeah, I'm gonna get probably just a single row right here, and then it'll tuck in, so that if I do push somebody, or trees and everything, I push over a tree or something, then at least it's protected by this, and then this bumper right here, or the rack. So yeah, it's pretty much good to go. I did the oil change not long ago. Just got to check the front and rear diffs. I know clutch is good, and all the ball joints are good because I did those not long ago. And yeah, just make sure all the nuts and bolts are tight. Otherwise, the Grizzly is ready to see some action. And again, yeah, that's going to be this Canada Day long weekend. Unfortunately, I do have to work the Monday, so that kind of sucks, but I'm still going to be there from the 27th to the Sunday, so it's like the 30th, so that'll be all right. It's going to be camping / quadding, so it's going to be long 4 days, that's for sure. But I don't mind. I do not mind at all. Oh, and Richard sent me out some stickers, so that's on there now. Running out of real estate on here. Not very much room left. Might have to peel this off if I get any more. But yeah, that's on there. Hopefully, I did heat up the plastic, so hopefully that ends up holding on there. I'm sure it will. If not, I got a backup one. But yeah, that's it for the update on this. The next time you'll see me on this machine will be in Alder Flats, Alberta. Or me having it sitting in my truck, and I might bullshit a little bit along the way. Show you a river, show you a bridge, that kind of thing. All that boring stuff that you don't want to see. But I'm going to show you anyways. Alright, see you later. Take care.